Hi there! In this episode, we'll share some top tips for acing the reading section of the TOEFL. Before diving right in, let's share a glimpse of what the reading section of the TOEFL actually consists of, which is divided into 3 to 4 passages, each with approximately 700 words. The passages are taken from academic texts and cover a range of subjects including history, science, literature, etc. You will have 60 to 80 minutes to read the passage and answer 36 to 56 questions. The reading section of the test can be challenging with a variety of different passages and complex vocabulary, but with the right strategies and practice, you can improve your score. Tip 1. Read actively. One innovative approach to active reading is to use technology to help you engage with the passage. There are tools available such as digital annotation software that allow you to highlight and take notes directly on the text. You can also try using a mind mapping tool to create a visual representation of the main ideas and details in the passage. This can help you organize and remember the information. Tip 2. Pay attention to the question types. An innovative way to approach question types is to use gamification. You can create your own game where you match each question type to its corresponding strategy. For example, you could match inference questions to the strategy of looking for implied meaning. This makes studying more interactive and engaging and helps you remember the strategies more effectively. Tip 3. Expand your vocabulary. To expand your vocabulary in an interesting way, try using immersive technology. Virtual reality and augmented reality programs can transport you to different academic settings and scenarios where you can learn new vocabulary. For example, you can explore a virtual science lab to learn new scientific terms and concepts. Tip 4. Manage your time wisely. One innovative approach to time management is to use the Pomodoro technique. This technique involves breaking your study time into 25-minute intervals, with short breaks in between. This helps you stay focused and productive and prevents burnout. There are many apps available that can help you implement this technique. Tip 5. Practice, practice, and practice. To practice in an innovative way, try using adaptive learning technology. Adaptive learning programs use artificial intelligence to personalize your learning experience based on your strengths and weaknesses. This can help you identify areas for improvement more efficiently and focus on the areas where you need the most practice. There are many online platforms that offer learning for TOEFL reading section. Tip 6. Skim and scan the passage. Skimming and scanning are essential skills for TOEFL reading section. Skimming involves quickly reading the passage to get an overall understanding of the main ideas, while scanning involves searching for specific information. To improve skimming and scanning skills, try setting a timer for 1 to 2 minutes and see how much information you can gather from the passage. Tip 7. Understand the structure of the passage. Understanding the structure of the passage can help you better comprehend the information and answer the questions more accurately. Look for keywords and paraphrases that signal transitions between different sections of the passage, such as however, in contrast, and finally. This can help you identify the main ideas and supporting details more efficiently. Tip 8. Practice critical reading. Critical reading involves analyzing the author's argument and evaluating the evidence presented. To practice critical reading, ask yourself questions such as what is the author's main point? What evidence does the author use to support their argument? Is the evidence credible and relevant? This can help you approach the passage with a more analytical mindset and better understand the author's perspective. So, there you have it. 8 tips for acing the reading section of the TOEFL. Remember, with the right strategies and practice, you can improve your score and achieve your goals. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of TOEFL Tips. And remember, with TOEFL Tips, you've got this.